We're going to talk to Adam Lambert. He's a singer-songwriter and actor who rose to fame when he took part in American Idol in 2009. Yes! Since then, he's had a successful solo career and he's been touring as lead singer of Queen since 2012. Adam, along with Brian May and Roger Taylor, should have just finished a tour, but like all live music, the coronavirus pandemic meant they couldn't continue. The UK leg of Queen and Adam Lambert Rhapsody Tour has now been rescheduled for June 2021, with shows across Europe either side of it. And when that tour comes up, we'll tell you all about it. Meantime, let's talk to Adam Lambert, because there's an album out.
Hey.
And
Hiya.
a DVD and a CD. Hey, you okay, Adam?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, we're all right. Thank you very much. We've got Janie at
Nice.
home and Tim at home, and I'm in the studio, and I don't know where you are. You're probably in London somewhere, yeah?
I'm in a van.
You're in a van, are you? Are you in the back of a van or in the front of a van?
I'm in the back of a van. I'm headed out to Roger's house.
Oh, that's great. You think Roger might find a seat for you?
I think he's got a chair somewhere.
I'm just picturing you in the back of a van there with all paint and tools around you or something like that.
Oh, you know, it's classy.
Well, of course it would be.
It's
for
not
you.
like a builder's van, no.
Okay. You see, when you said a van, that's what I was thinking.
That's an image.
Yeah. Now, because you couldn't play live, in front of me, I've got a live album, Queen plus Adam Lambert, Live Around the World. It's a compilation of concert highlights personally selected by Adam, Brian and Roger from over 200 shows, a track of which you heard just then. And it comes in the following formats. Listen to this: CD, CD plus DVD, CD plus Blu-ray, and vinyl. Performances included are hits like Don't Stop Me Now, I Want to Break Free, as well as rarities such as Freddie Mercury penned Love Kills and I Was Born to Love You. How do you view all of this? I mean, we've spoken to you so many times before. Interestingly enough, you're not impersonating Freddie, are you?
No, definitely not. Right away, when this first started about 7 years ago, I was so excited and anxious to get on stage with these guys. But I remember I was thinking to myself, oh, wow, will the fans accept this? How is the band going to accept me? And one of the first conversations we had was what their expectations were. And they said right away, please just make it your own. You don't have to worry about exactly how Freddie did it on the record. And that was a green light to me to just make sure that I didn't mimic him. That's not what they were interested in. We all agreed that there's no replacing Freddie. He's irreplaceable. So one of the things that we've done is feature him in the show. You know, we have his voice and video playing in the show, and it's very exciting. It keeps the fans realizing that this is a celebration.
You must get into some, and although, as you've just said, you're not doing Freddie, you must want to do them justice in a way that still keeps Freddie's memory in the mind.
Yeah, that sort of was the trick. For the first couple of years, it was finding that balance between making it my own and then sort of not straying too far from the original spirit. And once I figured out that balance, that's when it really started to take off, I think.
Also included in this is the band's entire 22-minute Firefight Australia appearance from February of this year, just before lockdown, of course, in which you performed Queen's original 1985 Live Aid set in full. Talk me through that.
Yeah, we were performing for the Firefight fundraiser to help all of the fire damage in Australia. And we had about 20-some-odd minutes, and we thought, well, what can we do with 20 minutes? What songs do we put in? And someone pointed out, oh, that's about how long we had for Live Aid. And the idea sort of blossomed from there that we would just recreate the exact set, which was made so iconic in the film.
Yeah, no, in May, the lockdown version of We Are the Champions came out, and isn't it something like 4.5 million views? That's incredible.
Yeah, and we really wanted to do something special, dedication for the healthcare workers on the front lines. So we changed the lyrics to You Are the Champions,
You Are the Champions,
as a dedication to them. Yeah. For Brian and Roger to change an iconic lyric like that is like, it was an unprecedented time.
Amazing.
Did you ever think any of this might happen? When you look back to American Idol, what did you envisage might happen after you won it?
Well, I didn't see this coming. This has been such a dream. We met on the finale of American Idol, actually.
Yeah.
And there was definitely some sort of resonance there, but I didn't know that 10 years later I'd be on the road with them touring in arenas and stadiums everywhere. I mean, if someone had told me that, I would have thought they were crazy.
I'm going to play another track as we go. If you could just tell people what's on the CD plus DVD and the Blu-ray and the vinyl. What can they find on there?
By the way, it's also available for streaming for those of you that don't have a CD player anymore.
Which is most of us.
Yep.
Okay.
I also think the video footage is also downloadable for those of you that don't have a DVD player. We kind of went through and handpicked performances that we felt were really special, whether it be where they were filmed, a special performance.
Yeah.
We kind of picked a handful of the hits that we know everyone loves and sings along with. And then we picked a couple of these obscure songs that were written by Freddie for his solo material that we've added over the years that just felt really special.
Well, Queen and Adam Lambert's Live Around the World is out now in various forms, in every form, in fact. And Adam, good luck in the back of the van there. We'll talk
Thank
another
you very
time.
much.
Adam Lambert, everybody. Thank you,
Awesome.
Adam.